Okay, we are at the Tombstone RV Park in Tombstone, Arizona, and we absolutely love this place. So I want to show you our site that we had. Let me flip you around here. Okay, we were in site 39. We had a grill, picnic table. Site was a little tight, but overall it worked perfectly for us because we just used it as basically a base camp to go tour around. But the campground itself is very nice. We had full hookups. So you can see Doug's over here disconnecting now, but we had full hookup, 50 amp, water, sewer. This is this side. Oh, I said we were at 39, so we were in site 37. Yeah, this was our site.